Hello and welcome to our DIY gate video. Originally we had just like a sheet metal gate. It was really hard to use, it wasn't really stable, the metal was rusting and it didn't open because we've got our little hot water service here which must have been put in after the gate. The gate didn't actually open all the way out, so we just wanted to fix it, make something new and make it look a little bit more aesthetic from both our side and the front as well. Tony started off by grabbing all of the steel. He cut all of the steel to size and then he welded it all together. We did this side bigger and this one smaller, so it opened just like I mentioned before. So he welded it all and then he sized it to the old gate, and then we checked, we kept these support pieces because they're concreted into the ground, and Tony just kind of checked them. I think he supported this one by the other side. The neighbours were very friendly and let us kind of drill from the other side, and then that one he supported and put extra brackets onto the brick wall. Then my brother Jordan came to help out. They made the garage a whole paint room. They painted the steel frames a really nice black colour. They kind of did a lot, especially Tony did a lot of the hard work. I got the easy job of kind of making the decision of what I wanted the gate to look like and what I wanted the aesthetic to do. So I did look at Pinterest and look at side gates and driveway gates because we are wanting to make one of those. I made a decision that I wanted wood because I wanted it to match to other things that we're going to do in the front. It looks a bit nicer. The black really matched with the wood, so that was our decision. I did want an arch shape and I wanted a border just to kind of finish it off and make it look a little bit nicer. When the paint was all dry, we then hung the frames to the supports, and then we went to Bunnings and we got some wood pieces. There were a few that are a bit longer than the others just because we wanted to do it in one trip. They just didn't have all of the size that we needed, so we just got some bigger ones, and then it was time to pop the wood onto the frame. Tony kind of started off by putting a piece of wood on the front of the support to make it look a bit nice and complete on the front side. That's a little bit jutted out from the other pieces, so that's going to help when we do our frame piece over the top. We then started popping the wood on the big one and then realized that it is weighing it a lot down. So Tony and my brother kind of got to thinking, and then they decided to pop a little wheel down here to help support the big gate because it is quite heavy, because we wanted something that would last and be very durable. So they put the wheel on and they did have to do kind of trial and errors with how the wheel would sit versus how many wood pieces were on. So they popped all the wood onto this side, Tony popped all the wood onto that side, and then it was time to kind of cut all of the top. So Tony then did that. So he cut the arch. The only thing left to do is put a frame border piece on the top of that just to make it look a little bit nicer and to kind of finish it off. But yeah, it works so much better. It's more secure, more durable, and if I do say so myself, it looks much nicer. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you are thinking of building a side gate or kind of redoing your one that you already have, hopefully this gives some inspiration. Like this video if you want to see more kind of house DIY videos. There are a few things and projects that we want to do just to kind of lift the value of the house, but also to make it like a home. So I hope you enjoy our side gate. Let us know what you think.